Yes.
Who said that?
Come on, give me a little something.
Okay. We've all had a laugh. It's over now. Show yourselves. Guys?
Put that bowl in my body.
Oh my god, the dishwasher just spoke.
Calm down, calm down. I'm not gonna hurt you, unless you want me to. I just want that bowl you've got there.
You want the bowl?
Yeah, what else would I want? I'm not an oven. I need to be filled with bowls and silverware. Gimme.
Hello? Is anybody here? I heard a noise?
Yeah, I'm fine. Everything's fine. Why are you speaking?
Whoa, whoa, whoa. All of a sudden, I'm not allowed to speak because I'm a dishwasher? That's really misogynistic.
I don't even know what that means.
It's like misogyny, but against home appliances.
What do you want?
I want you to put that bowl in my body.
I mean, I was going to, before you started speaking.
So we're good?
Yeah, I guess. No, that's weird. I'm not okay with this.
Oh, come on. Have a bit of fun. I'll do you next.
What? No! That's gross! Get out of my house!
Let's put it this way then. If you put the bowl in my body, I won't slaughter your family and wear their skins like pretty dresses.
What?
What?
But you said...
I didn't say anything that you can prove.
Okay, that's it. I'm calling the police.
911, what's your emergency?
Yes. My dishwasher is threatening me. I should have seen that coming.
That was not cool. You pissed off the wrong dishwasher today. You better sleep with one eye open, buddy, because I will come for you, and I will kill you, and your children, and your children's children. I will not stop until you...
Thank you for watching. Now you're part of a very exclusive club of people who have seen this video. If you want to expand that club, please share it, and if you want to become a member of an even more exclusive club of people, please subscribe to Tacomatic for more videos like this in the future. Thank you very much, and...
With the righteous flame, I shall cleanse my home.
No! Call the fire department! We got women and children in here! Like, share, and subscribe to save the women and children. Somebody save the women and children!